Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the moving ion type instruments. Okay. The moving ion type instruments are generally used for measuring the AC quantities. Okay. So alternating quantities generally work with the moving ion concept. Okay. So let me get into the video detailing to understand how the moving ion instrument actually works. Okay. So as I mentioned, moving ion instrument works for determining the AC quantities, which moving ion is shortly called as acronym as MI instrument. Okay, so this MI instrument is divided into uh, two categories. One is attraction type moving ion instrument, and the second type is repulsion type moving ion instrument. So let us see first how the attraction type moving ion instrument is actually work. Okay, both the method are used to calculate the AZ measurement. Okay, so as I mentioned, there are three important torques are required to operate the instrument either in the moving ion or a repulsion attraction type or repulsion type moving ion instrument. The first torque is deflection torque, and the second torque is controlling torque, and third torque is uh, damping torque. Okay, so let me consider the first attraction type moving ion instrument, and let us see the construction first. Okay, so the attraction type moving ion instrument have coils here. See, my mouse pointer is actually pointing coils here and one more coils here. So there are the coil which is wounded with the wires. Okay. As I mentioned, this is not a permanent magnet. So this is a electromagnet. So here only we're going to give a supply to the instrument. Okay, either current, a meter, either current or a voltage. So when we give a voltage, this coil winding will become an electromagnet. Okay, so this is one construction, and the second one is moving ion is fixed here. See, there is a rounded part. Moving ion is mentioned here. The moving ion, the spindle is connected to the pointer and scales. Scales are the one which is visible outside the instrument, which contains from 0 to 100 or a 200 or a 300. So this moving ion fixed with the pointer. Okay. And see, there are two weights are provided, W1 and W2. So these weights are provided for providing the controlling torque to the instrument. As I mentioned, no, the pointer has to stop at the right value to give a perfect values, precision value. So this is because of the controlling torque which provided here by the two weights here. Okay. And the third construction is there is an air damping chamber which is with the piston actually given here. Okay. This air damping chamber is used to provide the stability to the pointer. Okay. To uh, get back and when it's done or the stopping the oscillations. Okay, so this is the simple construction about the attraction type moving ion instrument. Okay, so let us see how it works. Okay, as I said, the coil will be supplied with the voltage quantities, I mean AC quantities with the voltage or a current. Then the coil will become electromagnet. So once it become electromagnet, it will supply the magnetic flux. Okay, so this magnetic flux make the moving ion to move. Okay, so the amount of electricity that passes to the coil decides the amount of deflection torque that pointer moves. Okay, so that when the coil gets supplied, the moving ion based on the attraction type, you know uh, the uh, the moving ion will try to attract to the magnet, and this will make the pointer to move, and the controlling torque will be provided by the weight, and the oscillation torque, I mean the damping torque, provided by the air damping chamber. Then instruments is perfectly work. Right. So now we get into the repulsion type moving ion instrument. From the name itself, so there is a repulsion concept to the pointer which works on it. The rest of things will be remain same. There is a spring controls here, and moving ion vane is here, and fixed ion is also there because the spindle of the pointer is connected to the here is a spindle. The spindle of the pointer is connected to the moving vane. So once the coil get energized, okay, and when both the coils get energized, then there will be an repulsion force when north and north facing are there. Automatically, the moving ion, so this ion will reflect with the concept of repulsion because of the two magnets that place here. Then the automatic of pointer values will move over. So these are the two methods, like attraction type moving ion instrument and the repulsion type moving ion instrument, and which will be functioning to measure the AC quantities. All right. For learning more, you can refer these books to get much knowledge on the um, measuring quantities. I mean, the moving ion instruments, which is also can be detailedly studied through this reference of books. Right. So just to recap it, I'll just say there are two types in moving ion instrument. One is attraction type moving ion instrument, and second one is repulsion type moving ion instrument. In the attraction type, which works, there will be moving ion, but the ion will work with the type of attraction of the magnet. In the second type, the moving ion will move with the repulsion concept of the magnet. Okay, so thank you so much.